I'm Kim Brown with IMTS TV, and I'm in the Tsugami Rim Sales booth with Mike Mugno, Vice President. Mike, I hear you have a lot of announcements here at IMTS.
I do. First, as you can hear by my voice, it's been a great show. We've been very excited. We do have a number of things going on. Number one is it's the 40th year of the partnership between Tsugami and Rim Sales, so we've been very excited about that collaboration. Nice stability over a long period of time. Secondly, we also chose to be a corporate champion for the Wounded Warrior Foundation, a partnership that we're very proud of, and we've been able to really be able to celebrate in the booth this year.
That's great. And I hear you also have a new offering for customers. Can you tell me about that?
We do. It's called MachineMetrics. It's so important when you think about what we can offer to customers on a value-added basis. And this is a system to be able to extend, to be able to help when it comes to service. Service at the end of the day is so important to keep customers up and running. And this is a remote monitoring system that we can be able to help remotely monitor their machines to be able to efficiently troubleshoot and be able to figure out how best and most efficiently be able to handle any challenges that they might have out in the field today.
And what is the name of this new offering?
It's MachineMetrics Service. And one of the key things associated with that, too, is they're also going to be offering a lot of different options when it comes to data. Data is one of those things where customers are constantly asking, how do I use that to help my business? So what they're planning on doing is if we can look at the machines, there's data outputs that are coming out. They can help analyze that. It can help with preventative maintenance for customers on a daily basis. It also helps Tsugami Rim Sales be able to help when it comes to that service, because we can better tell over time when the machines might need to be tweaked a little bit, tool life, just work most efficiently.
Great. And how have the customers been reacting since you just announced this at IMTS? What's the feedback that you're getting with the MachineMetrics?
I think they're very excited. Customers, like I said, are always looking for more. There's been a crowd at this booth this entire time asking about this. Customers are asking about how do I put this on not only their Tsugami machines or potentially even other machines that they would have, in their shops to be able to better service, moving forward. So.
And this is available right away?
This is available right now. We're starting to put this on the machines on a standard basis, so anyone that would in fact purchase a Tsugami will automatically have this. This is something we're choosing to do, but they can also reach out to MachineMetrics should they in fact want to put this on other machines that is available.
That's great, and that's MachineMetrics.com?
MachineMetrics.com.
Great. Great. Any other announcements or things you want to talk about that are happening in the Tsugami Rim Sales booth here at IMTS?
No, we just have a lot of great technology that we've been showing all week. We had a new SS38M that has gotten a lot of good interest. It's a new type of machine that's here, so I would really, suggest that if you have time, come by and see the booth, come by, see the machine, see our team. We're very proud of the people and the support that we provide to the industry and to the customers that we serve.
Great. Thank you, Mike. Be sure to visit booth 339410, Tsugami Rim Sales, or you can find them online, rimsales.com. I'm Kim Brown with IMTS TV. Thank you for watching.